Hey you guys, I am in Dollar Tree. Just walked in and I'm over here by the toys. So I'm just going to take a look today and see what we can find. Oh look, they got some wrestling toys. Here's John Cena. There's AJ Styles. Oh my goodness, look, I definitely have to get this. Oh my goodness, look at The Rock. I have to get that just because it's The Rock. And I believe Pooh Bear likes him. I see a few more people. Finn Balor, I don't know how to pronounce that, but they have some little characters. Oh, I see some new candles. They still have these, the Karma with the frankincense and vanilla, but look at this, Fog Cloud, and it's in a black container, and it says soy blend scented candle, 3 ounces. That's kind of cool. Oh, I don't see any other fragrance back behind it. Then I see this, Old Williamsburg. I see mahogany coconut. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to smell that. I'm gonna have to open that, and that's the only one that I see. I saw something else down here. Oh, look, they got more of the coffee candles. So you got hazelnut cappuccino, cafe au latte. These are my favorite. I love the coffee candles. Look at that Colombian cold brew. Chocolate mocha. And I think that's it. But that is cool. I'm definitely gonna get one of each of the coffee ones because I love the way they smell. Oh wait, here's River Rock. So it was Fog Cloud and they have River Rock. Okay. But definitely getting these. Let me see. I don't see anything else new. That's about it. And over here they brought back more of the balloon animals. So I love these when I first seen them. So they still have the silver dog, the little elephant in gold, and silver and gold balloon dog as well. Okay, so I know these just got put out because there is none missing at all. And you have reed diffusers. There's sage and citrus, peach, fresh cut rose, orchid, coconut, and garden rain. They have these again, the pretty jars in those pretty colors. There's pink, that green, and there's gray. So pretty much the same colors as the mermaid tails that they had. These were the exact same colors, but they're really pretty. And then I see this right next to it. Never seen these before. There it is. Sometimes my camera takes too long to focus, but those are kind of cool. This is like wire around the top. That's cool. And they still got a bunch of those. Oh, these are pretty. I remember seeing these like this with the brown and kind of grayish color. I don't remember seeing clear, but then they also have a brown and kind of like a black color. That's pretty. Oh, look at this little planner paint set. You get the pot and you get the little brush and the paint. That's pretty cool. Then right here they got some more wood little things that you can paint. I see a star, a heart, there's an anchor, and these are kind of big too, and there's also a flower back there. They just restocked all of these little pictures. I showed these before. Oh look, over here they got some new pictures. Life is my favorite adventure. Over here we got some new pictures. Life is my favorite adventure. They look like that on the back. Let's see what other ones. Fierce, and that one is in gold. Then I see this one. I like that one. I think I'm gonna get that. It says Girl Boss, and the bottom one is in pink. That's super cute. I think I'm gonna get that. And then what else is there? Make your dreams. Uh-oh. The Dion Dreams was not popped out like that. So make your dreams happen. These are kind of cute. So the store that I am is the location where I picked up these the other day, the simple colors. And I showed you guys, I have yet to open these up and mess with them. I plan on doing that like today, hopefully. But when I just walked over here, they have this box, and what I see in here is some extra stuff. So this is all over highlighter stick. It says face forward. Stick indicates color. This one is called Touchy Feely. I think I should get that and try that one as well. What else is in here? So they have a few different colors. Look at the packaging on that is different. So this one is called Rose Glow. Oh, look at that one. Oh, this is a blush. And this is called Cheeky. Okay, I'm gonna get a couple of these. I'll have to show you guys these in a video because I haven't opened my other ones yet. Glow Potion. This is another highlighter. This one looks more white. This one is Get Lit. That one is definitely white. I'm gonna get one of each of these so that I can show you what they look like. I'll do swatches or something because I still have to open the other ones, like the lipsticks and the lip glosses. Over here they got some Barkeeper's Friend, and this is a cleanser. It says for bathroom, kitchen, cookware, and outdoors, and it shows you like a before and after picture, and this is 8.82 ounces. Oh, they got a Good Cook 4-piece bag clip set. Not bad. I'll definitely get a set of these. Okay, so they got the cutest little cards for Mother's Day. This one says Mom, with love from your little peas, and it has a little felt pea on it. Queen for a day. This one you can put a picture in the middle. I'm not gonna go through all of these. I'm just gonna pull out the ones I think are super cute. Oh look, Mom, jackpot, today is your day. This one you could put money in, or like lottery tickets. If your mom's like my mom, she'll want them lottery tickets. Mom, friend, teacher, cheerleader, guide, listener, coach, comforter, confident, help. Look, it comes with a little broom. These are cute. So check out your Mother's Day section for cards. Sister, for my sister. Super cute. Over here they got some mermaid letters. That's cool. Different letters. And I see a floral print. And I have stumbled across some new scarves. This one has like the tropical drinks. That is really pretty. This one has fish on it with the blue background. Then you got this tropical print right here. Really pretty. But look at this one. They finally got a scarf with cactus. Oh my goodness. As much cactus stuff they didn't put in Dollar Tree, finally got one, and it's cute because it has the black and white stripe in the background. So I'll be picking up probably 2 of those, and that is it for that. Even though I don't need any, I always check out the socks. Okay, so I see some with the little scooters or mopeds. Look at this pirate socks. Little treasure chest on there. Let's see what else I see. I see these. Those are really cute. I like those. Let me see what's behind it. Okay, some more of the pirate socks. Then you got these with the fish. And I think that is it. Uh-oh, somebody dropped something. That is it. I already showed you guys these, the red, white, and blue socks. But out of all of these, I think I'm gonna get a pair of these just because I love that turquoise color, and I think I want these, the little fish. Ooh, these are good. I love vegetable crackers. You get 6 ounces of those. Let's see, try all 3. Okay, wheat original or vegetable. And they expire in August. Look at these wine bags. These are cute. Cheers, pop, toast, clink, sip, sip, hooray, and bottoms up. And what is this one? Cheers to you. And it has a little glitter at the top. This one says good times. I just thought these were kind of cute. but I really like this one. All right, everybody, I am over in the snack section where I do not belong, but I'm going to get out of here. I do have a few things. I do have the makeup. I will do a separate video to kind of swatch for you guys, like all of the makeup that I recently just picked up. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. You guys, this snack zone is deadly. Oh my goodness. I try my hardest not to come down here. Oh, look at that. Bear claws and Danish. Oh God, let me get from over here. I rebuke the snack zone.